Tak lama setelah mengumumkan target militernya merebut 100% wilayah Luhansk dan Donetsk, Rusia melancarkan serangan skala besar ke wilayah itu. Pertahanan udara Rusia menghancurkan 13 kendaraan udara tak berawak Ukraina di dekat Berezovaya, Braskovka, Verkhnetoretsko, Debrovka, Izium, Kalinovka, Kiselevka, Lozovaya, Novobogdanovka, Novoaleksandrovka dan Chuvakovka. Juga, satu rudal taktis Tokau ditembak jatuh di dekat Donetsko, kata juru bicara Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia, Mayor Jenderal Igor Konasenkov dikutip Tribun Timur Kamis tanggal 21 April. Secara total, 140 pesawat dan 106 helikopter, 511 kendaraan udara tak berawak, 254 sistem rudal anti pesawat, 2.410 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya, 262 sistem peluncuran roket ganda, 1046 artileri dan mortir lapangan, serta 2.259 unit militer khusus kendaraan angkatan bersenjata Ukraina dihancurkan.
Units of the Russian armed forces and the Lugansk People's Militia have taken full control of Kremenная, which had been turned into a stronghold by Ukrainian nationalists. As a result of the rapid and coordinated actions of the assault troops, severe destruction of urban infrastructure and residential buildings was avoided. Operational, tactical and dummy aviation of the Russian aerospace forces struck 20 areas of concentration of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment near Shnurki, Novonikolaevka and Alexandrovka during the night. Missile troops and artillery hit 1,001 military assets of Ukraine. Among them 58 command posts, 162 Ukrainian artillery firing positions, and 771 strong points and areas of concentration of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment in Маяки, Дебровная, Мазановка, Долина Краснополье, Великая Камышеваха, Червоная, Вернополье, Пашковка, Дмитровка, Новая Дмитровка, Высокий, Черноглазовка, Слатино, Золочев, Партизанская, Alexandrovka and Shevchenko of Nikolaev region. Russian air defense means destroyed 13 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Berezovaya, Brashkovka, Verkhnetoretskaya, Debrovka, Izium, Kalinovka, Kiselevka, Lozovaya, Novobogdanovka, Novoalexandrovka and Chuvakovka. Also, one .U tactical missile was shot down near Donetskoye. In total, 140 aircraft and 106 helicopters, 511 unmanned aerial vehicles, 254 anti-aircraft missile systems, 2,410 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 262 multiple launch rocket systems, 1,046 field artillery and motors, as well as 2,259 units of special military vehicles of the armed forces of Ukraine were destroyed during the operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.